Good afternoon everyone, this is Seb from BinaryOptionsProductReview.com. How is everyone doing today? So let's have a look here, 29th of June, quarter to 10 in the morning, very early. Early start for all of us on today's webinar. How's everyone doing? Let's see what's happening in the chat section. What have you lot been mumbling about? How are you, Sebastian? Hello, Abdul. Hello, Ahmed. Hello, Dave. Hello, David. Hello, Jamie. Hello, Rob. Hello, John. Leanne. Another Rob. Gerald. Very, very lovely to see you all here. Excellent. So, how's everyone trading been so far this week? I didn't tell you guys, but when you guys left the webinar, I decided to place another cheeky trade on the AUD USD, another €1,000 trade, and it did come in. So right now our balance is sitting very comfortably at €7,500. Very, very nice indeed. I'm just going to quickly refresh the economic calendar. Let's get the rates and charts up on FX Street, and then let's do this. No. There we go. Let's launch that economic calendar. Lovely. High volatility movement happening at 1:30 in the afternoon. And so far we've had a lot of Euro and GBP movement. There's some there's medium volatility happening at 11 o'clock. So maybe we can catch that, but I'm not actually sure. But hey, guys, let's get to it anyway. Now, I'm going to be having a very, very quick blast on this. Let's go to launch. So far, these are the signals that I'm given. Euro USD call, USD JPY, put, GBP USD, there is no signal, etc, etc. Into day one. FX Street. So let's have a look about what's been happening today while we've been asleep. Well, for me anyway. The overall trend that we can see, the general direction is going up. Now I'm going to take this intraday marker and put it on 15. I just want to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to actually forward this back to 60. So this is what happened for the past few days of June, leading up to May, leading from May to June. So this is from the beginning of June basically. I'm going to move the old chat to there. Now as you can see, the Euro USD in June has had a bit of a fluctuating state. In all fairness, coming up to the 27th, you can almost say it's been more of a neutral trend, to be perfectly honest. It's only for the last few days, it's actually been on the rise. Now what I mean by this is, if we zoom in from the 27th, which is only a couple of days ago, to now, there's been a very steady upwards trend. Now guys, what I'm meant to mean by this is, if you guys are trading long term, then you know that you can start trading calls from here onto, okay, the Euro USD. That's what you can do. Now, remember guys, this isn't exactly, I'm not an expert. Disclaimer, if you guys want to trade, please trade with caution. It is your own money. Don't take what I say as 100% risk free. I'm just telling you what I would do if I was trading long-term trades in binary options. Now, what is also very, very important to remember is, if you're going to be doing 60 seconds, you have to have a very clear understanding on this chart of the direction of the trend. Now, if we're looking at the Euro USD, we can't really identify any sort of trend at the moment. For the past few minutes, it's been pretty neutral. Obviously, yes, you can say from 9.37 that it's been slowly going up, but right now it's hit a neutral state. To be honest, with the way the pattern is going, I would go with a call trade. I'm not going to do that because I want my percentages to be a little bit higher. I would say I'm only 60% certain, and that's going to start going up in a minute. To be honest, Option Robot even says a call as well, but that's just because it's identifying the overall trend of the past few minutes, which has been going up here from 0937 up until now. As you can see, it is a green candle, so if I did go with a call, I would have been more or less going up towards the money. If I'd have gone with a call at 1.14256 right now, okay, now it's actually going up, so I'd be in the money. But would it hold for a full minute? Now that I'm not sure. Now, if you recall, I did say I'm about 60% certain of this, but why am I certain? Well, I'm just going by what I've seen previously. If you identify a pattern as well, because patterns are very, very important to obviously identify in the market. Yes, you could use different indicators. You can use like Bollinger Bands. You can use RSI, CCI. But the thing is with me, I don't like to overcomplicate things. I don't think it helps a trader in learning how to trade binary options properly. You could use every single indicator and know how to use it 100% efficiently, but then if you can't identify the overall trend with this, you're going to lose your money. Now, here we go. If I'd have placed that trade there where I said earlier, okay, with a call, right now it would have expired up here at 1.14270. And it still looks like it's going up at the moment, even though it says a red. That's still quite high. I would have been in the money. Now, I should have gone with a call, and maybe I should have, considering my trades are 250 euros each. But when I think to myself, right, I'm only 60% certain that it's going to be in the money, that is not a good percentage when you're trading 250 euros. Maybe if I've got 7.5 grand and I was trading 25 euros, then yes, I could be slapping on those trades quite willy-nilly because I can afford to take those very big high risks because I'm at a low investment cost for myself. I can afford to go with 25 euros loss, especially on a balance of 7,650. But what I'm trying to say here, guys, is with big balances, you could have a bit of a more high risk because there's also more to gain with more investment and a more investment trade amount. Now, it doesn't really matter to me what you trade, but for most of you who are starting with 250, 300, 350, etc., you're going to be doing the minimum of 25 euros, dollars, pounds per trade. So this is where right now we have to start analysing these currency pairs and absolutely getting 100% feel for these trends. Just before Thursday, we can see here that from start to finish, this is a very comfortable upwards trend, as you can see here. So if we start here, okay, and then we end it where it is now up here, this is a very comfortable upwards trend, okay. An upwards trend. It hit a resistance here, which made it fluctuate downwards. This would be this particular area here, okay, where I've done my red arrow going down. This would be a very bad place to trade, right there. This is the no trading zone. What you want to do is you need to wait until it hits that secondary spike, and then it can start. And you can start obviously thinking to yourself, right, it's going up. We know that. Let's start trading the trends. Yes, obviously you could trade around this area, no problem, but it would be very, very unwise. You're going to lose a lot more money than I reckon gain, especially if you think to yourself, right, it's gone in a trend reversal, so why don't I just do the opposite? Why don't I start trading put trades? Well, you could do that, but you don't know when it's going to reverse again and then start going upwards. So you have to be careful. Obviously, when you start seeing a very decent upwards trend, those of you who are trading more than 60 seconds or 120 seconds, those of you who are trading 5 minutes, don't forget, guys, I would recommend doing this. Trend trading on long-term trading is very easy. Those of you who use an Option Robot, please, that you can do for up to 5-minute trades. Okay, so if you're there and you can see that there's an upwards trend, but you just need that extra bit of time, more than 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 4 minutes, please use the 5 minutes. I know sometimes it used to had 30 minutes on there, but for some reason the 30 minutes isn't on there for some very bizarre reason. I'm not sure why. So guys, GBP USD, there's not really very much for us to go on in terms of 60 seconds. Here would have been a very good time. Right now, yes, it's going down very slightly, but will it continue going down? I'm not sure. I genuinely don't think so. I think it's more neutral than anything. That is a very 50-50 for me. Let's go with the next currency pair. USD JPY. Once it loads, does anybody have any questions, by the way? Okay, so here we go. This is a very good example of an upwards trend. Right here. A lot of money to be made, but as you can see right now, it is going down into a downwards trend. That's more going down than our last currency pair. And with option robot saying put, that is exactly what I'm going to go with. I'm going to go with a USD JPY put right now. While we do that, let us check the AUD USD currency pair. This is also a very clear upwards trend in long-term investments, guys, in long term. We have to wait for a trend reversal to hit, and then we can continue doing our upwards trading on long-term investments. Let's zoom in. Downwards trend. AUD USD put. USD CAD. USD CAD is quite a volatility one. There's a lot of trend reversals that happen in USD CAD, so you have to be careful. I'll do another put in a minute. If it's still going down after these trades have expired, then that's what we'll do. But right now, let's just quickly wait for them to expire. Yes. Okay, that's good. First trade done. Everyone okay so far? Everyone understanding? Fantastic. Hang on, guys. I have a client that's struggling to get in. I'm just going to manually invite him. After this trade has come in. Yes, okay, that's good. Now we've reached the 8,000 mark. Where's his email? Give me a sec, guys. There we go. Everyone okay so far? Yeah. Let me just check the chat. Yeah, everyone seems to be doing right. Oh, it's just people putting new to trading. Okay. Now, I really hope, because I'm waiting on one of my clients. Gideon. Okay, I've resent him the invite, but I'm just going to wait for him to join now. While I do, let's continue. USD CAD. It's not moving. Why is that not moving? Oh, no, there it is. Okay, it just had a little bit of a fluctuation bounce. Going up. There's no cool trades. Wow. Euro JPY. That's more going up than down. Let's see if I can try and Euro JPY. It's got a put signal, so I'm not going to trade on that at the moment. Does anybody have any questions? I want more questions, guys. I want more questions to answer. There must be some questions out there. Anybody got any questions? Anybody at all? There's 13 of us here today. Anybody got any questions? Anyone at all? Come on. No one? Really? Okay. Then I'll just continue doing some trades. Euro GBP is fluctuating so badly. Hang on. Candle's not very strong. When was that reversal point? That was at 0.87981. 088000. That should still keep dropping. I want to check out these calls, especially on the USD JPY. USD JPY says call. I didn't anticipate that bloody red signal. Oh wait, it is going up, but I think I've just missed it. Have I just missed it? No, it's still spiking, and that candle's getting stronger. USD CHF is also going up. Come on. No. USD CHF, absolutely not. In fact, I'm going to turn it off. Does my head in, that currency pair. Go away. That was only just in the money by only a few points. So usually when I trade, if you guys watch my previous videos, they're quite separated in terms of opening and closing points, but these closing points are actually fairly close to the opening, which is quite risky. Hang on a minute, people are actually typing in the comments and I've only just seen it. We'll go through some of your wording in a minute, guys. 1 second. Fantastic, there we go. Got no questions so far. Hello everyone. Hi Seb, long time. Finally made it today. Well done, Luis. Well done. Don't worry about it, Jamie. Don't worry about it. Remember, you're supposed to be learning. Your guys are supposed to be learning. Don't worry. So has no one got any questions? We're 20 minutes into the webinar, no one's got any questions. Are you guys absolutely sure? Remember, I'm here to answer any inquiries you guys have. Please let me help. So much dust everywhere. What we'll do is I'm going to go through one more trade, and then I'm going to stop the recording and put it on YouTube. But don't worry. What we'll do is we'll still continue going through a few things, because I don't want everything to be on YouTube, because then it kind of defeats the whole purpose of people, you know, not coming here to the webinar. Let's have a look. How do you know if it is a good day to trade or stay away? I've actually answered this before in the previous video, and I always say please look out for the economic calendar. You can easily tell what the volatility of some currency pairs are going to be like prior to your trading day. So for example, I'm looking at today, Thursday 29th of June 2017. Lows of medium volatility. Now, everybody is different, guys. Please do not get me wrong. Everyone's different. Some people want to trade low. Some people want to trade medium. Some people want to trade high. Me personally, I fucking love it when it's medium to high volatility. I love seeing the market fluctuate. I think when you're trading 60 seconds, all you got to do is log on before high volatility rates, okay? Wait a couple of minutes. Let it do its spasm with the bloody currency pair, and then what you do is you trade in the opposite direction on a trend reversal. Bang, you're making money. I did that before in a previous webinar and video, and I made about €1,000 or something ridiculous like that. So please, guys, go and find it in my video somewhere in my archives on my YouTube channel. Guys, that's what I'd heavily recommend you do. Seriously, it's a lot of fun. Obviously, don't do it if you're feeling a little bit nervous or if it's your first time trading. That's a bit silly. But if you're more experienced and you know what to look out for on the economic calendar and what you're meant to look out for in terms of when the economic calendar hits on high volatility rates on the FX Street charts, then you can do it. That's what I'd recommend do anyway. But obviously, it's completely up to you guys. For 60 seconds, are the jet signals generated for every 60 seconds? Yes, absolutely. Sometimes they can take up to 120 seconds to refresh. Personally, I don't really mind because obviously you shouldn't be begging to make money all the time. Obviously, you want to spend a good hour to an hour and a half, or even 2 hours if you like, staring at your computer screen trading. There's nothing wrong with that at all, doing that. That's personally what I like to do sometimes, because Option Robot isn't always going to produce you the correct signal, especially if it's going to be looking back. Say here at a downwards trend, it gives you a put signal, okay, but then it says call instead. So guys, don't worry, wait for that chart signal to refresh, no problem. Even press F5 if you want. I don't actually know if that works or not, but I don't think it does. Bent says, how do you always win? I do the same as you, Seb. That obviously means that you're not winning, okay, but then obviously you're not doing the same as me. What you got to remember is every time I'm speaking and every time you're watching the video, I'm about 5 to 10 seconds ahead of you. And I keep saying this in all my videos. Please trade with caution, guys. It's your money and I want you guys not to lose it. You're not meant to be copying me because I cannot legally do legal advice, you know, because I'm just an affiliate marketer giving my subscribers and my clients some really good advice to trade online. I want everyone to do well. You know, I could just be doing my videos and not my webinars, for example, but I want people to actually do well. That's my whole purpose of doing this. I can't go to bed at night knowing that, you know, people are going to be struggling. I want people to be doing well, which is why I do my webinars, because I want people to come back to me and say, Seb, look, I've made 20 quid and I'm happy. I've made 100 quid and I'm happy. Hell, I've made £1,000 and I'm happy. Perfect. That's exactly what I want to hear. Anybody else got any questions? No? Then I'm going to do one more trade. USD CAD is saying put. Say, for example, guys, look, USD CAD is saying put because my settings trend MACD. And what does it do? USD CAD put because it's going down. The overall trend is going down, guys. I cannot describe that enough. So that's what I'm going to do. AUD USD is going up, following the trend. Actually, shit, I should not have done that. I don't think. Actually, that might go into reversal, so it's not too bad. Actually, it might not be as bad as it seems. GBP USD. I'm just going to leave it on 2 trades at the moment. I don't really like to do more. Alright, not doing too bad. By the way, those of you who are watching on YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the little bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a video. And also like this video. If this video hits 50 likes, I'll do another live thing on YouTube. Get in, another win. Come on. Don't let me down, AUD USD. Very, very comfortable win indeed. Just shy of the 9,000 mark. Okay guys, so I'm going to leave it there. Thank you guys for watching on YouTube. I'll see you lot on the next video. Thank you.